Welcome back programmers. In the today's section I'm gonna show you how you can create a search bar with the multiple queries. For example, I just created a post in my allinonecode.com blog site, and in here I just enter the name equal to this is demo and category equal to parenting, description equal to Mike and tags equal to Avengers, Doraemon, mobiles and American Dad. I choose a random word for this post so I can show you how this is working. So let's upload this. So this is my demo post. So now let's try to search this particular post from here. For example, in the tags I use the Avengers. So let's try to search Avengers and let's search it. As you can see, we got this post. Now let's try to search again. Let's try to search Mike, which is the description. So as you can see, we got this post again. Now let's search again American Dad. So as you can see, we got this post. And for that I use the from django.db.models import Q. Q is for queries. For example, this is my blog models. And let's say I want to search anything from title, post, post description and post tags. So how we can do this? And for that, import from django.db.models import start and then import your model, particular model in the views.py file. Then create a query by using a tuple. In the tuple, just write your query. For example, I want to search that particular post by any column names. For example, let's try Q. Post title equal to American Dad. American Dad is nothing but the search query whatever user is searching, but I just add the American Dad in here. You can add that particular variable whatever user is searching. And post title is nothing but my column name. For example, in here as you can see, my column name is nothing but the post title. And after column name, you can see I just use the double underscore and then I contains. So this method is nothing but the filter out method which we can use whenever we want to find or search particular text. For example, if you search American or you can search American Dad, so as you can see I got a space between this word. So this filter out method is gonna help me to fetch this particular text or whatever text you are entering. So this is nothing but the quickest method to search a different text, and that's why we use the I contains. Okay, so this was only one query. So let's create another query. Now in here I'm gonna use the OR method. You can use AND or OR if you know what I mean, Boolean variables. So as you can see, I created another query after OR symbol, or you can write OR, or you can just add the symbol. So if one of this query is true, then I'm gonna get that particular query. But if you don't want to do this, so you can do like this too. And let's say if one query is false, then you are not gonna get any object returned, because AND is the Boolean variable. If one of many is false, then all of the object is gonna return false. Okay, so let's add another queries OR, and this time I'm using OR, and then I'm copying this text and pasting in here. So as you can see, I created another query, post description equal to American Dad. Okay, so that was it. That's how you can create a multiple database query or multiple column queries. If you want to use this for multiple database, just comment me. That's a very simple method. Q is nothing but for queries. Okay, so now let's use this lookup in our filter method. Okay, as you can see, data equal to blog post model.objects.filter lookup. So that's how we can get multiple columns query using the Q method. So that is it for today's guys. If you like this video, so just like this video, share this video with other programmer, and you can find my source code in allinonecode.com. So that is it for today's guys. See you guys in the next video. Till then, just code.